Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. In front of you, I'll show you a product demo of a 32-inch touchscreen kiosk with a 27-inch touch and visual area. This touchscreen is powered by a capacitive touchscreen with 10 touch multi-points and with Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, 8 GB or 16 GB RAM, SSD plus hard disk, or in alternatively you can opt for an Android based board in which you can get Android 9, 11 or the latest Android with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, or you can even opt for a Linux OS, or you can opt for a Windows 11 OS. So we have all kind of options, whichever you prefer. This particular kiosk which I am showing you is Windows 10 Professional OS with a 10 touch multi-point screen. As you can see, this specific kiosk has been white label branded for our customer. You can see the logo up front. We can do white label branding for any different kind of kiosk. We have that service at almost no additional cost for you. So this kiosk, just when I'm showing you the kiosk, you can see that there is a video screensaver which is being played in the background. So whenever the kiosk is not in use for a particular period of time which you define, say we have defined it 2 minutes right now. So if the kiosk is not in use for 2 minutes, you can put a background slideshow, you can put a background video, an explainer video about how to use the kiosk, or you can show some information about your company, some promotional video. There are many things you can show. So this is a very helpful feature for all kiosks. You can see the design is very sleek and stable design. So this design is attractive and also very stable. So you cannot, some designs are more slimmer than this, but this design in particular is very the center of gravity of this design is very stable. So you cannot rock this kiosk, somebody cannot damage this kiosk. It is made of 1.6 mm CRCM metal, powder coated for long life. This particular color shade is RAL 7035, which is between white and gray. You can consider it between white and gray color. It is attractive and it has very long life. The powder coating quality in particular is very good and the finishing is proper. To show you some of the features of this kiosk, this is a vandal resistant cover for the CPU. So if you are keeping it in a controlled environment, you can remove this cover. It is removable. But for example, if you keep it in a public environment like a museum or exhibition, you can keep this cover attached. So you can if you want to open this cover and access the CPU panel, you can just swivel it like this. Here is a power button of the kiosk, and you can use headphone jack, or you can use USB 3.0 ports which are in the front. And so basically, if you want to switch on or access USB ports for this device, you don't need to open the back maintenance door. So that is the beauty of this design. And as usual, all our kiosks come with caster wheels, heavy duty caster wheels with brakes. So if you want to keep the kiosk fixed in a stable position and not move it around, you can lock the brakes and the kiosk will not move then. So the front two wheels come with brakes, and the back two wheels do not have brakes. Okay, so next we'll move on to the system configuration, and the system features. So most of our kiosks come pre-built with either Windows 10 Professional or Windows 11 Professional. Okay, and as I conveyed the specs of the system earlier to you, we usually do a minimum of an Intel Core i5 processor with 8 GB RAM at the minimum, and then we can go up i7 16 GB as per requirement. And as you can see in the specification, it says 10 touch support with 10 touch points, so you can simultaneously use 10 fingers on the screen. If there is an application, multi-touch application on this kiosk, that can utilize at least a maximum of 10 fingers. And the kiosk which we provide you will come with everything updated, all the drivers installed, Windows 10 latest with all the updates installed, feature packs, updates, drivers, calibration, touch calibration, color calibration, all of that will be done in advance. System optimization also is to be done so that the kiosk is very fast, and you can do any kind of multitasking in this kiosk. You can open 20, 30, even 50 browser tabs in this kiosk, and the kiosk will not slow down. So performance wise, any kiosk which we provide you will come with a fast and steady tested performance, because we deploy kiosks, hundreds of kiosks every year, and all of them come with stable CPUs, and these CPUs are known to be good performers out in the field. So you can rely on the hardware quality and long life. Other than that, if we look at the applications, we install open source Office applications or Google Docs or browsers or antivirus, Skype, Zoom, any other applications really. So whatever applications you want pre-installed, we can do it for you. PDF readers, other applications. So, and this comes with inbuilt speakers as well. I'll show you the speakers. So these are the speakers in the kiosk. So voice will come out from here. So the speakers are inbuilt in the monitor, and the monitor itself has a toughened glass layer on top of it. So even if by chance you spill something on the kiosk, or you accidentally punch the kiosk, or you hit the kiosk, somebody tries to break something, nothing will happen, because there is a toughened glass on top of this touchscreen. Okay, so so it's very robust, and say I'm pressing the display right here with some pressure, there is no pixelation. So that means that it's not the LED panel here, there is a toughened glass with touch, capacitive touch installed on that. So this will give it a much longer life and protection from wear and tear. And the kiosk will come pre-installed with Bluetooth adapter and dual band wireless, a long range dual band wireless. So the range of this dual band is at least 15 meters. So you can, even if the Wi-Fi router is 15 meters away from here, you will get a good signal on the Wi-Fi. So that's it for the features today, and hope you like this compact, robust and stable design. And do keep subscribed to our channel for future updates. Thank you for your time.